gentlemen, my name is Rishi Prajesh and this is my sister Sneha Prajesh.
Our play is it's a Saturday play and it's about friendship.
Sneha? No, Acha. Okay, Sneha, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, start!
Chirp, 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 chirp. Ah, it's a lovely morning. And I can hear something. Let me go and check. Oh, it's a baby bird it's a baby bird. It must be hungry. Let me feed you some grains. Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp. Now your turn. Oh, bird, please come to my house. And I've got a lovely cage. And I could feed you grains and water. Chirp, 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 chirp. Tick, 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 tick. Grains. Doesn't matter.
It's after 3 days. The little bird has grown. Look! Chirp, 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 chirp!
Oh, I can hear something again. Let me go and... Oh, it's the little bird.
Chirp, chirp.
And he's grown big. Grown big.
Chirp, chirp, chirp! Thank you for having us. Thank you for taking care of me and my little chick. We love it being at you, and we must fly away.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm going in this tree just here.
Oh, good. That's next to my house, and we can be together.
Chirp! Chirp, chirp, chirp! No, not finished. I love your singing.
Huh?
I love your singing.
I love your singing. I like when you're singing.
The end. No, it is that. The moral of the story is, if you have a bird, if you have a bird in the cage, you must take it away, put it in freedom. And then one day, the bird will come back to you.
In happy.
And you will be with joy and happiness.